Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Now we have started revision of chapter 7, measurement of length. We have done different activity and exercises. Now related to length, we have learned non-standard units, that is in our handspan, cubit, fingers. Same way with our legs we can measure pace, foot span. These are the non-standard unit, and different objects also we are using for measuring given length, that all are called non-standard unit. But in non-standard unit, while measuring, variation can be found, so we introduce standard unit, that is meter. Longer units are measured or length are measured in kilometer, like distance of roads. This we have learned. And shorter length are measured in centimeter, like paper clip, like nails. This shorter. Okay. And meter is the unit which generally used to measure length. This we have learned. Now we have got the idea, the concept of measurement of length. Now certain exercises are given. We have to think and we have to write whether it will come kilometer or centimeter or meter. So let's start, then only you can understand. It is given here, which unit of length will you use to measure these? That means either centimeter will come, or meter will come, or kilometer will come. Now let us start. In number 1, length of shoes. You wear shoes, no? Pair of shoes. If I ask you, what will be the length of a shoes? Meter is this much of length, but shoes are only one handspan and maybe little bit bigger. So it can be measured in centimeter, not meter, centimeter. So this way you have to think and you have to write correct answer. Okay, the second one, distance of road. Any road, it cannot be measured in meter or centimeter. It is the greater unit, so we have to measure the distance of roads in kilometer. Okay, so we write here kilometer, short km. Now take next one. A roll of ribbons. You have seen, no? Certain ribbons are there. In a roll form, you can find it. If you open it, you can see long distance. It can be measured in meter. So not centimeter, because centimeter also you can use. But in meter, if you measure that, that will be easier for you. So we will write here meter. Okay, whenever you want to purchase some ribbons, you will say to the shopkeeper 4-meter ribbons, 5-meter ribbons. This way the shopkeeper will measure with its either inch tape or meter rod. Okay, fine. Length of a spoon. Spoon is this much only length, so it will be measured. The length of a spoon is measured in centimeter. Okay, centimeter we will write. Now next one, length of a sari. A sari is big in length, but not big as the kilometer, not big as the length of a road. But you cannot measure sari also in centimeter easily. It will take lots of time. So meter will be the easier to measure the length of a sari. Generally a sari's length is 12 meter. Generally. Okay. So measure length of a sari can be measured in meter. So we are using from here only, choosing from here only. 6th number, length of a window. Length of your house window or any house window. At least it is not so big as kilometer, not so small as centimeter. So length of window can be measured in meter. Okay, we write here meter. Okay. Length of a paper clip. You have seen the clips are used to stick papers. So very small in size. Length, if you want to measure this, centimeter unit will be used. So centimeter will be right. Okay. Because this is the smaller unit. Length of a bamboo. You have seen the big size bamboo are there. Length of a bamboo is also measured in meter, because centimeter you can, but it takes many times to measure. But if you take a meter rod, it will be easier for you to measure the length of a bamboo stick. Okay, so meter will be there to measure a bamboo pole or bamboo. Growth of a plant in a week. If you are watering plants now, have you seen from Monday to Sunday how much a plant can grow? Hardly centimeter, 1 or 2 centimeter. So you can measure it in centimeter. So we will write here centimeter. Now, last one, growth of your nails in a week. Have you seen your nails? From Monday to again Sunday, if you check, your nails will grow hardly few centimeter, not meter, not kilometer. So, centimeter you have to write here also. So, children, this way different objects you can take. You have to think which unit you should use to measure the length, and you have to complete that one. So for that you have to observe the video, no? So observe it so you can guess it. Clear?